Let's go home. Come on. I've got a surprise for you at home. Let's go. Let's go.
Dad, why are you in such a good mood?
It's a beautiful day. We got big news. We're getting married on Saturday.
It's another one of these crazy schemes that come to nothing.
So she won't be telling you what to do?
You do me?
Ah, you gotta ask me when you do stuff like this.
You asked me about getting married?
Because I'm an adult. You're fucking 12.
So what?
I'm burned. Where are you?
It's none of your business. I don't care about your dream.
What do you mean you don't care about my dream?
You don't care.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
What is?
Who you love.
The day.
1, 2, 3, seaside. 1, 2, 3.
You don't care.
Bailey, you'll live.
Who you love.
I knew there was a reason we met.
Who you love.